End tables are great. They are versatile pieces of furniture that can fit into any room. They give you a spot to set a drink, whether it's your morning coffee or an evening glass of wine. You can also use them to keep a book handy for your reading sessions or to place your phone within easy reach. You can build your own end table without being a woodworking expert. It's a fun and rewarding project. With a few basic tools and some simple instructions, you'll have a beautiful handcrafted piece for your home. Imagine the pride you'll feel. This project is perfect for beginners. It's a great way to start your woodworking journey. We'll use affordable lumber and simple techniques. You don't need expensive materials to create something wonderful. This will help you learn fundamental woodworking skills. These skills can be applied to many other projects. You'll be building your own furniture in no time. Imagine the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands. Before you begin, gather your materials and tools. This step is crucial to ensure you have everything you need at your fingertips, making the process efficient and enjoyable. For this project, you will need several specific items to get started. First, 2 1x12 wood boards cut to your desired length for the top and shelf. These will form the main surfaces of your project. Next, 4 2x2 wood boards cut to your desired length for the legs. These will provide the necessary support and structure. Additionally, you'll need wood glue to secure the joints. 1 1/4 inch wood screws are essential for a sturdy assembly, and wood filler will help you achieve a smooth finish by filling any gaps or imperfections. Sandpaper in 80, 120, and 220 grit will be used to smooth the surfaces and edges of your wood, ensuring a professional look. Stain or paint can be used to add color and protect the wood. Choose a finish that complements your style and the intended use of the project. And finally, polyurethane can be applied for a durable, protective finish that will keep your project looking great for years to come. You'll also need a few essential tools to complete the project efficiently. A measuring tape and a pencil are crucial for accurate measurements and markings. A saw, either a circular saw or a hand saw, will be needed to cut the wood to the required dimensions. A drill and a screwdriver are necessary for assembling the pieces, and a sanding block will help you achieve a smooth finish on all surfaces. Having everything ready and organized will make the building process go more smoothly and allow you to focus on creating a beautiful and functional piece. Accurate measurements are key for a sturdy, well-fitting end table. Use a measuring tape and a pencil. Mark your cuts carefully on the wood. Double-check your measurements. It's better to be safe than sorry. When cutting, follow your marked lines. A circular saw will give you straighter cuts, but a hand saw works too. If you're new to using a saw, take your time. Ask a friend or family member for help if needed. Section 4. Smooth Operator. Sanding might seem tedious, but it makes a big difference. It creates a smooth, professional-looking finish. Use 80 grit sandpaper to start. Sand in the direction of the wood grain. Gradually move to finer grits, 120 and then 220. This will remove any scratches from the coarser sandpaper. Sand all the surfaces of your wood pieces. The smoother the finish, the better your stain or paint will look. Section 5. Building your end table. Now for the fun part, putting it all together. Start by attaching the legs to the underside of the top piece. Use wood glue and 1 1/4 inch wood screws. Make sure the legs are flush with the edges of the top. Then attach the shelf to the legs using the same method. Use a level to ensure the shelf is even. Section 6. Finishing touches. This is where your project truly comes to life. Fill any screw holes with wood filler. Let it dry completely. This step ensures a smooth, flawless finish. Then, sand it smooth to prepare for the next steps. Now it's time to personalize your end table. This is your chance to add your unique touch and make it truly yours. You can leave it natural for a rustic look. The natural wood grain can add a warm, earthy feel to your space, or stain it to enhance the wood grain. Staining can bring out the rich, deep tones of the wood, adding character and depth. Painting it a fun color can add a pop to your room. Choose a color that complements your decor and adds a vibrant touch. If you choose to stain or paint, apply a protective finish. This will seal your work and ensure it lasts for years to come. Polyurethane will protect the wood from moisture and scratches. It's an essential step to keep your table looking great. Let it dry completely before using your new end table. Patience is key here to ensure a durable finish. Place it beside your favorite chair or sofa. It will be a perfect addition to your living space. Enjoy the satisfaction of building something beautiful and useful for your home. Take pride in your craftsmanship and the effort you put into this project.